triangle, and 3 into a double, it will make 6 triangles. This is a circle. It had none sides.
No sides on the circle. What is your circle made out of?
Rocks, sticks, pine cones.
What can you make shapes out of, pre-K friends? Can you sort the items in your basket that we found?
Yeah, sticks. Do you see how many sticks? Can you count them? Yeah, one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ooh, 5 sticks. What else do we have?
Pine cone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many do we have, Mace?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And what are those?
Pine cone.
Pine cones. What else do we have?
Yeah, painted rocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Which one has more?
The rocks.
The rocks. More rocks than... Which one has less? The smallest number. Sticks.
And this is a medium.
You can also take the things that you found and make patterns. So we painted our rocks, and now Mason's going to make an AB pattern with pine cones and... What color of rocks are we using? Pink. Let's see the pattern with you. Can you start at the pine cones?
Pine cone.
Can you point to it for us?
Pine cone. Rock. Pine cone. Rock. Pine cone. Rock. Right and right.
What would come after the rock if you put something else there?
Stick.